Okay, lawn fans, here's the backyard zoysia, and that is not what I'm here to talk about today, but I'll give you a look at it. I just cut it with a rotary mower. You can tell it's very uneven back here. There's the dead spot, filling in very nicely up there, by the way. But you can see where the rotary blade bounces and makes circles. But the point of this video, oh, and by the way, it is creeping like crazy all down through here and over there. But the purpose of this video is to show you guys, this is where I'm putting my fescue seed down at today. I'm going with Rebels that I picked up at, I think, Lowe's. But anyways, I took the verticutter down there and I chopped up the soil going 3 different ways: this way, and this way. Now what I'm gonna do, or I just did, is I put, I got a little hand spreader that I put the seed in on setting 3, and I walked 3 different directions putting that seed down. And now I'm gonna come back with the Sunjo and I'm gonna knock all that seed into the ground, and then I'm gonna come back and seed again on top of that. I'm doing it here and on the far side of the zoysia. You're probably asking, why am I doing that instead of sodding this all? Because this is very shady over here, and nothing will grow over here. You can see this is my little donor plot of zoysia right here that I use for plugging. And in this area right here, it doesn't get very good, and it's very thin in that area. So this will grow. I've done it before. I'm gonna keep this watered. Probably I'll come out here and squirt it down 5 times a day here for the first week or 2. And then after that, then I'll knock it back to 3 times, and then 2, and then 1, and then we're gonna be good to go. I bet you I get germination in about 2 weeks on this. And so that's why I do the seeding project in this area, because it just, nothing will grow there very well. Same thing over there. So that's it, lawn fans. Let's see here. Oh yeah, thin area up there. Because of this tree, saps out all of the moisture, and so it's hard to keep it damp, and it's got a little compaction going there. But otherwise, she filled in good this season. I learned the secret to it was common sense and making sure it was fed as much as the front yard is fed. And I wasn't doing that. I was treating her like a stepchild. So anyways, that's all I got for you today. Bermuda Brian, out.